They're saying Amazon is launching a 24-hour drug delivery in select cities across the United States. So they're going to deliver your medicine in 24 hours or less. And some of the deliveries will be made by couriers on e-bikes, while others will be fulfilled by drones, electric vans, and other commercial vehicles. Now, this is how it's reading over here. They're saying that residents of New York City and Metro LA can now receive their prescriptions, medications in minutes, rather than waiting for hours or days through a new delivery service from Amazon Pharmacy. All right. They're saying the same day delivery program is scheduled to expand to more than a dozen other cities this year, including Austin, Indianapolis, Miami, Phoenix, and Seattle. And they're saying that the company is saying that these faster delivery speeds will be a game changer when you or your family need your medications quickly. Now, some of the deliveries will be made by couriers on e-bikes, while others will be fulfilled by drones, electric vans, and other commercial vehicles. So if you're in a traffic jam, Manhattan, they're saying delivery workers riding eco-friendly e-bikes can drop off those medications at a customer's door. If you're in a college town, they're saying that they could use a drone to fly the medication to a customer in less than an hour. And then they're saying in greater LA and other suburban areas, they're going to use those Rivian all electric vans or cars or commercial vehicles to make it to the customer or to the patient. Okay. Now they're saying that the service is powered by AI, according to the company, which noted that AI and machine learning are streamlining prep work for prescriptions and helping reduce administrative errors. Now, AI doesn't replace the role of the pharmacist. It just only allows them to operate at the top of their license. Basically, they're saying you work faster, give it to us, and we're going to ship it to them. All right. So rather than doing double duty, pharmacists can now use their skills they went to school for to deliver better patient experiences. Now, that sounds like a lot, and that's something that they made up. And that sounds like that's a nice press release from the marketing director. But what's your thoughts on that, Johnson?
Man, look, I'm always for advancement since I'm in that tech space. E-bikes sounds great. I think it'll bring more jobs, more people riding bikes, more of a healthier lifestyle. But unpacking this, we're going right back to adding more drones because you just talked about delivering food with drones, and then now you're talking about delivering medicine with drones. There's
Mm.
going to be a lot of drones in the air delivering stuff, So again, how saturated is this airspace going to be when it comes to all these drones flying around? So that's my biggest issue with it. I'm for advancement, and we'll see where it goes. But it's going to take a lot to try to control how they're going to make this thing work. Outside of that, I'm all for making stuff easier and keeping it simple.
Sounds good. Well, I got to ask you guys in the comments, what are your thoughts on this? Is the Amazon drug policy a good deal? On your phone, let us know. Oh my, this is a great deal. 2, stop the madness. Amazon is controlling the world. 3, this was very smart on Amazon. Or 4, pharmacies are in trouble. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Let us know in the comments. What do you think of this? It's the Lab Tech Show. Join us Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern at thelabtechshow.com. Embrace it or get left behind.
Alrighty then.